Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. Got a couple of cases for you for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. Some of you may be using that device right now, so this might help you out in choosing a case as well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Crave Dual Guard for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL case. All right, shockproof, dual layer design for the Pixel 9 Pro XL. You got different colors. You got the kind of green looking, this mint green, raspberry looking black. You got a gray, this pink, and you got a few colors there, this green. So I have a black one and a sage one, actually. Not sage, but I think you call that, let's see what the color is on that one. Yeah, what's the color name for that? Okay, this is the sand color right here. All right, so I got that one in the black one. But $16.99 on Prime. And, you know, Crave makes good cases. Yeah, so this was sent to me by Michael from Crave. All right, so shout out to Michael for sending these cases for me to take a look at. But we're going to go ahead and get started and take a look at these and see what they're all about. Okay, these are the boxes they come in right here. You can see you got some branding on the front and you got some information on the back. Strong, reliable, and protective, all right? You know, slim design, shock absorption, premium quality, and precise cutouts, all right? We'll check all that out as well. But let's go ahead and take these out of the box. This is the black one. We'll take a look at that one. Actually, no, I thought I had the black one. This is a green. This is a nice green right here. It's kind of like a drab green, that army green. So it's a nice looking case too. As you can see, you got a dual layer case here. You got the rubber, the silicone in the front here, and you got this kind of semi-hard plastic on the back, all right? And you got a raised area for the camera right there. Got your buttons right here, your power button, your volume marker. That's smooth. Nothing on the side in terms of branding. You got your cutouts for your charging port and your speaker and your mic right there. And now the Crave has the case has texture, so it should be grippy. And you can see the lip is going to be covered because this, I can tell right now, the way this is designed, this is going to come over the lip a little bit, so it's going to protect it when you put it down, all right? But I think you should be able to put this the phone inside this without taking it apart. Got a little pattern inside for shock absorption there as well. Semi-rigid case, but I can tell it's going to offer good protection, and it looks good as well. Let's go ahead and get the device put inside and see how it looks. Okay, we got the Pixel 9 Pro XL right here. We're gonna go ahead and put this inside. See how that looks. All right, so it fits very nice. Now, as you can see, as I told you, this is kind of overlapping over the screen there, so you're gonna have protection there. But it's not too tall where it's like obtrusive and it's gonna be in your way when you're trying to slide across. It's smooth. It's got that curve around there. That was a nice touch there. And you got the volume up and down rocker as well as the power button right there. Those are clicky and works nice. And you see the camera is well protected there, so no problem with the camera there. Nicely done. Mic hole lines up nicely. And you got the mic hole on the bottom, your charging port, and your speaker right there, all right? This is a good looking case. And it doesn't add too much bulk, but it feels good in the hand, okay? And not slippery at all. So this could be a good daily driver right here. I love the color on this this green one right here. It's a really nice case, okay? So we're gonna get the black one and put it on and see how that looks as well. Okay. I know I said the black case, but I don't have a black one. This is the sand color right here. And this is a nice color too. I thought this was gray, but this is kind of like a light green case here. But it looks gray on this camera, but it's kind of a light green. But it looks nice. And you have that two-tone kind of look right there. As you can see there, nice case, and it feels good in the hand. It's a good quality case. All right, I think they did a great job on this. In terms of the quality and the build and the way it fits really nicely. Okay, so good case there. All right, now I'm gonna check out wireless charge, see how that works on the case, all right? Okay, let's check out the wireless charger, see how that works. Okay, so Picked up while it's charging, no problem when it's laying down. Let's stand it up, see what happens. All right, so it's charging standing up. Let's lay it on the side, see what we get. So picked up while it's charging as well. All right, no problem. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Crave Dual Guard protective case for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, all right? This is the sand color and the green color, all right? They look great, they feel good in the hand, and they're gonna offer good protection, not too bulky as well. Nice profile. So I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. If you have any questions, here in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.